Check, check, people, check. Check in, people, check in, check. Dancehall court is in session. Dancehall court is up and running again with a big one, people. So, good afternoon, viewers and subscribers. Much respect, much love. All you are doing, people, we love you. We love you to the bone, people. You understand? We love you to the bone. And let me just welcome all the newcomers to the channel. If you're new to the channel, the do's is like, comment, share, subscribe. That is it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Saying, big up on yourself, welcome, we love you. And the regular viewers and subscribers, we love you. Big up on yourself. We want to make all this possible, right? We love you continually. So, yeah, people, in the court session now, Shawn, this is Buju Banton over some 1914 video. So we're gonna talk about that. Also, Shenseea eating scorpions now. We're also gonna talk about that. Peter Metro. We're gonna talk about Peter Metro and the original dancehall Thursdays. A little bit. We're sensing some bad vibes and we're glad about that. Mr. Vegas apparently is upset because Banton has taken a Valentine's Day time out. And Foota eye makes sense and nonsense at the same time. Sense and nonsense at the same time. So we talk about that. So the first we're gonna talk about Foota eye. Foota eye, I was watching a podcast, people, right? And I heard Foota eye saying some stuff. Most of the things that Foota eye said make sense. But he also said some things that doesn't make any sense. And while I'm not going to beat him because I kind of agree with most of some of the things himself, I just want to tell Foota Hype, Foota Hype, you must be careful. You have to gain knowledge of things before you speak about them. You understand? Go and speak about things. You know what I'm talking about. In your podcast, your recent podcast, yes, you said some things as it relates to Christians and the Bible and the Word of God and Jesus Christ. You know what I mean? Yeah. And like some of the things I said, I kind of in agreement in some of the things, but when you touch a line there, you lost me there, bro. And I just want to say, you need to be careful. I hear you speak about utterance, and you also need to be careful of your utterance, bro. But big up yourself still. He's a soldier. Or we have to carry him, but he's a soldier. You understand? He's a soldier, and you're kind of left on the path to righteousness. But some things you have to get right. You understand? Put a hype, but big up yourself still. Well, I like what you're doing. I like what you're doing, but when you touch the Bible and the Word of God and Christians and everything, you have to get it right, my friend. You must get it right. Alright? Okay. But big up yourself, same way. Okay, so make we talk about people want to jump in the comment box and Shenseea, she's eating scorpion now. Them come with scorpion lollipop. Scorpion, I swear scorpion is an evil beast, you know. Is a evil one of them evil things use scorpion. You know what I mean? We don't really eat scorpions around here. Because scorpions is from the I guess from the satanic side. So then come with the scorpion lollipop now, Mrs. Shenseea I run with it and we not understand Shenseea, have to be careful Shenseea. Because you know what I mean? See your thing like it a lap or your thing like look like it a lapse your name not up there again like You have to be careful and mind what you are doing in the earth. Mind what you are doing in the earth. The scorpion eating, we not too like it. People jump at the comment box and tell me what you think about this scorpion eating thing here with Shenseea, okay? How now we jaw eating tree long still. Okay. So Peter Metro. And Peter Metro, I would like for you to correct me if I am wrong. I hope I am. But correct me if I'm wrong. I've been watching the original Dancehall Thursdays, and I kind of sense some bad vibes going on between you and Toulouse and me and Jamakri. It's like there's a vibe, there's a negative, bad vibe going on where I think you guys are disliking each other. You understand? Yes, and that shouldn't be, we not too like it. So if that is not the case, correct me. And if that is the case, we have to fix it because people soon pick up on it. Just like how I was watching last Thursday and I saw something where even you and Toulouse kind of, you know what I mean? And we don't want you to do that because original dance on Thursday is a nice thing we want to do. People love it and people are taking on to it and it's getting bigger. So for the bad vibes coming in and the falling out, I think we'll have to check that. You understand? We don't too want that to go on. I'm telling you, Peter Metro. Because Peter Metro is one of the big artists from long time people. You understand? You know what I mean? We don't want bad mind and go to them or bad vibes. You understand? So Peter Metro, if that's not the case, correct me. Jump in the comment box and correct me. Say, no, that's not the case, man. It's just, maybe it's a misunderstanding. If a bad vibes are grow, we're going to kill it. Kill it. You understand? Yes, kill it. People. You know, say, this war, our so-called war between Bounty Killer and Mr. Vegas. I think Mr. Vegas wants to write his name in the in the history books. Yeah, Mr. Vegas. I think Mr. Vegas wants to write his name in the history books because he's pushing this war so badly, brother. To the point where, check this out. Bounty Killer says, okay, he's taking a break from this war, Valentine's timeout. And Mr. Vegas seems like him upset him one. I don't know, he might look some clout or something, I don't know. You understand? He want if he go on. You understand? He want the war to go on, but I don't know people. I do not know why Mr. Vegas getting so upset. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because Killer say, okay, he's taking a Valentine's break. You understood? Mr. Vegas went to the point where Mr. Vegas even call Bounty Killer saying we need to brush dirty teeth and all these things. I'm not too agree with that. You understand? I'm not too agree with that. I'm not too agree with that, people. You understand? I'm not too agree with it. No. I'm not too agree with that. If Killer want to take a break, let him take a break. What is, as you hear Beanie Man say, people, this war is not relevant, you know. It's not really relevant. A full war. Beanie Man and people truth. You shouldn't even go on. I don't even know, you know, you shouldn't even go on this little stupidness. And Mr. Vegas, I say something about theme war. Nobody knows a warlord, Mr. Vegas. Nobody knows a warlord. I don't know war genius and a war god. You understand? Yeah, so for you, no. You understand? I understand, but people jump in the comment box and tell me what you think about the war. Really, truly and truly. Why you, if you think this war should just squash and dash way or what? What you think? Jump in the comment box. I don't understand it. I not too want to get too deep in it because it's played out. No song now sing. To me, no song now sing. Alright. So people, in our music, you know there has to be a gatekeeper. Yes, there has to be a gatekeeper in our music. The Bounty Killer used to be a gatekeeper, you know. And them fight down Bounty Killer and them beat Bounty Killer and them say Bounty Killer fight artists and this and that and God knows what. And Bounty Killer let go the gate and say, no, I'm not giving a priest, so I'm let go the gate and give them. And see what happens. The body come through. You understand? But that's the next program, people. Here we go now. So Shawn Storm now, dig up one video from 1914 when him never even know Vybz Kartel yet. Where Buju must grab the mic from Vybz Kartel and, you know, him post it up and him at this Buju. And I think, in my opinion, that's irrelevant. It is irrelevant. You understand? I'm going to tell you why. Let me tell you why it is irrelevant. First, Buju, Vybz Kartel never boss big yet, you know. Killer Lip just a carry him. He never boss big yet. He was a young artist at the time, right? So all me analyze it, people, it's like Buju come on there and Buju was reaching for the mic. But if you watch the clipping, it's good. Kartel never want to give Buju the mic, so Buju kind of must get agitated and, you know, grab it from him, which him apologize for that. If you watch the clip, you see it's like Buju was reaching for the mic and Kartel never want to give him the mic. See, Buju reaching the mic and Kartel hold on by saying grab it. Because Kartel did not give the mic to Bounty Killer, you know. Kartel was giving the mic to Bounty Killer and Buju grab it. So I don't really, to be it's not really that this Kartel is like he was reaching for the mic and Kartel was handing back the mic to Bounty and Buju just, you know, grab the mic so real. But it gone from 1914 and Kartel even come back and say Buju am dupes. Buju Banton and Kartel over De La Vega City. And that's why I'm saying him say Buju am dupes. That means Kartel no hold no grudge against Buju. And then Bounty Killer already addressed it matter there and then. You understand? So, this is Shawn Storm come bring up that now when Shawn Storm wasn't even an artist at the time when it happened. Shawn Storm, you know what I mean? Him and Kartel wasn't parring. We don't do like the violence in our music. Especially against co-workers. You get me? No, we don't too like it, Rasta, because, you know, and Shadow Star, Shawn Storm, please, bother with it. Them words the way I say about Gargamel and Buju Banton we are talking about. You understand? And Buju we are talking about. And regardless, we have to show respect, brother. You understand? It never concerns you, bro. Kartel never make a million out of it. Bounty Killer address it there and then. Kartel come back after that, come say Buju I'm noobs. He may even do an interview and him say Buju Banton I'm noobs. In an interview him say Buju is noobs. To the point where him say his name was not even Vybz Kartel. It was Hadi Banton, which means him take the Banton from Buju. You get what I'm trying to say? So I don't know what this for. I don't see the relevance. I don't know why would you do something like this. Because this gone from 1914 and Buju and Kartel now, you know, they become friends and him say Buju I'm dope. And if you come and address Buju like that, Shawn Storm over something what even it concern you, I don't know what got up into you, bro. So you need to come and tell the people what really sparks such a outburst and action from you over something that gone from when you was, because you start yourself, so you was a little youth at the time, so you wasn't even DJing, you even probably didn't even know Cartel at the time. So we don't overs it, man. We don't understand it. We don't. I don't like something that happened yesterday, or something happened today, and you're adjusting it. It gone from 1914. So we don't get a chance. You need, you can't. We need you to tell us something, bro. Why make you just pick up this video? Just go pick up this particular clippings. There's a. I'm sure. I'm sure the one over De La Vega City came after the one where Buju grabbed the mic, you know. Buju grabbed the mic first, and then there was another show with Stone Love. Buju just come back from flying up De La Vega City, where it was Cartel and Wickerman and Buju was on stage together, and Cartel was, at this time now, Cartel was the man. This time around now, Cartel was the man. And Cartel I say, yo, Buju, you have a dopes. Which means what happened yesteryear, Cartel put that behind him. Move on. Shenseea, what is for Shenseea? Come on, Shenseea, man. We expect better than that, man. We expect if you put out music now. Put out music and just giving people the music and come take back your position in a dance hall. That's what we expect from you. We don't expect this, bro. You understand? We don't expect this, bro. I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. You understand? We don't expect this, brother. This I don't know. This is not something happened yesterday. Not 2 days ago, not a week ago. It's happened from 1901 when Banton wasn't even growing beard then at the time. And Banton are 50 now. So you must know what we're talking about. It's not a today thing. So why would you dig up this now when you weren't even around? And I got style them and a squawkhead and this and that, and if you did a step in a face and them something there. That's not really fun, brother. You know, sure no, sorry. Because like the more we preach, and I beg for unity and say somebody can save the music, it can be saved, because last year I know star, you know something seriously wrong somewhere, what I don't know.